Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're showing you how to unlock the power of Keepa data directly in your Google Sheets. With Asinzen Insights, get my Keepa data function. This tool gives you instant access to historical product data, helping you make smarter decisions for your Amazon business. With the Get My Keepa data function, you can pull critical insights from Keepa, like the average of buy box, lowest price, historical prices, bestseller rank trends, and even a link to the Keepa graph. These data points are essential for analyzing product trends, pricing history, and market performance. There are two easy ways to use this function. The first is directly in a cell. You just need the Amazon Marketplace and the ASIN. Simply type Get My Keepa data, followed by the Marketplace in quotes and the ASIN in quotes, and the graph range date. You can use 30, 90, or 180 days. Hit enter, and the function will instantly pull the Keepa data for that product. The second method is using the function builder, which is ideal for processing multiple ASIN and tailoring the data to your needs. To access it, go to Extensions and select Asinzen Insight, and then click on Function Builder. In the Product Data section, you'll find the Get My Keepa data function. Select the cells containing the ASINs you want to analyze. Use the drop-down menu to select the Keepa historical graph range, whether it's 30, 90, or even 180 days. Here's where the real power of the function builder shines. You can fully customize the data you want to retrieve, with intuitive drag and drop functionality, as well as options to select or deselect specific fields. You can focus on the exact details you need, saving time, reducing clutter, and keeping your sheet perfectly organized. Once you've customized your data selection, click the Get My Keepa data button. The function will fetch the data for all selected ASIN, populating your sheet with exactly what you need. Quick tip: before using this function, make sure you've connected your Keepa key. Log in at keepa.com, go to Apps, and then Keepa API, copy your key, and paste it into the Keepa key text box in the Asinzen Insight add-on. Then click Save to connect. With Asinzen Insights, Get My Keepa data function, you can unlock powerful insights from Keepa to refine your pricing strategy, analyze product performance, and make data-driven decisions, giving you the competitive edge on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more actionable tips and tutorials.